Okay, here at the top, I'm stirring all the eggs, and here I have the leftovers from pineapples. This is a baby pineapples, and this is a plum marmalade. This is a marmalade. This is also a marmalade, a blueberry marmalade, and I love this, and this is my daughter's favorite. And this is butter. These are butters that I also need for baking. I have here mayo and ketchup from McDonald's. And here I have that milk for coffee. This is actually for on the way. And this is those hot dogs. Actually, last Friday we made hot dogs. That's why I also have this leftover here because I don't eat a lot of this. And this is a mayonnaise. As you can see, mayonnaise. And this is our ketchup. This is actually empty. I have to change it. And this is mustard for hot dogs. And this is also a kind of mustard with dill. And this is steak sauce. At the other side, this is remoulade sauce. This is actually for the fish. It's a kind of mayonnaise with dill sauce, with dill and sauce, something like that. Not dill sauce. Okay, and okay, this is milk. We need a milk for this. This is for our coffee maker when we are going to make cappuccino or latte macchiato, something like that. And this is ahorn syrup. I need it when I'm making waffle. This is absolutely for my waffle. And this is a curry ketchup. I love this when I'm eating chicken wings, although I love it. And this is sweet chili for spring rolls. So that's it from my fridge. And let's get down to my freezer. So let's get down to my freezer. Okay, here over there we have, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces there. Okay, 4 drawers. The first one I have, these are all my doughs and poultries. Here I have ice cream and vegetables. And I have here only meats, all kind of meats I have here. I stored it here. And here I have my from Asian groceries and fish. Okay, let us see what's inside this drawer. Okay, here over there I have piccolinis. I already throw the bags of these piccolinis because I save a lot more space when I throw those boxes. Okay, I have to close it again. So there it is. I have here piccolinis, and there I have, this is actually from margarine, but I use this because I have here some cilantro. I freeze it because I don't want to throw it. And I have here a bun, and I don't want to throw it away, so I freeze it also. And then I have here, this is they call it here in Germany Hähnchen Schnitzel, but I throw also the back, and I place it in plastic like this. So I have here a whole chicken, and this is a chicken wings. This is the chicken wings. This is all chicken breast. It's ube. Ube, oh, what do you call this? This is ube makapun. I don't know. My friend gave it to me. I have to close it once more. And yeah. So at the other side I have here a pizza dough. I made a pizza dough, but it's a little bit more for us, so I make it a half and half. I freeze it, so when I need it another time, I just have to close it. So I have here this is actually a French fries, and this is the pita fries. So this is it, you know. I don't know what you call this. So that's it. That's all about here in this drawer. Okay, at the second drawer I have here a lot of ice cream. Actually not a lot. Okay, I have to close it again. I'm sorry, you guys. I have to close it all the time because we don't have to open it a long time, because you know this is the eco fridge, so it must have, you have to open it as faster as you can. So this is ice cream, a mini cones ice cream. This is just a mini. Look at that. So this is as big as my finger, just like this. So this is actually, we have eaten a lot of this, only few. And yeah, this is also ice cream there, vanilla ice cream, and this is different kinds of sticks and okra. This is a kind of vegetables. This is also vegetables. Look at that. This is also ice cream, a cookie dough. And I need this for sometimes I'm making shakes or something like that, and I wanted non-flavor water, so that I make this. And this is taros, gabi. Yes, this is also vegetables, all vegetables in there. And yeah, those are all vegetables. This is all vegetables in there. Sara, open Sara. So here, this is the third drawer I have here in my freezer. This is all meats. This is grind meat, all grind meat until here. And then here I have sausages, whole sausages, some kind of frischa bratwurst, they call it here. This is actually schnitzel, and this is leftover sauce that I freeze here. This is a grind beef. You know, this is a little bit. I want this so different colors from this, because this is half and half pork and half beef. So look at that, they have the different colors. And look at that, what I have here, a lot more over there. And all grind beef, all grind meat, I mean. So let us close this again, maybe for the last time, and then I'm done. So this is it. This is the fish area. So I have this fish Debschen. This is a small one fish. So I have here red shrimps. This is from Argentina. I always looking if the shrimp is from ocean or from fish fund, because this is very important for me if that is from ocean or fish fan. This is actually not from fish fan. I know that. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There. I found it. So this is from South Atlantic. So this is from ocean. This is not from fish pan. So yes. So again, this is also a fish. This is a lox. This is also a salmon. Ouchie. Yeah. And this is a pink salmon. This is lumabas na sila, guys. This is suman. I bought it in Asian grocery. This is 4 pieces inside. This is really yummy. And this is lemongrass. A friend of mine gave it to me. So here we go again, guys. Because of the sounds, it's always irritating. So under this fish, I have this. This is also a kind of salmon. This is a wild salmon. And this is okra. I buy this at Asian grocery. And spring roll pastry. And then there I have a frozen grated tapioca. This is cassava. I have 2 of them. And then I have here a mackerel. There it is again. And okay, I have to close it once again. So this is a mackerel. Then there, this is from the Philippines. This is a dried fish from the Philippines. And this is dorado. This is shrimps. Yeah, shrimps. And then squid, a dried squid from the Philippines. And this is also a dried fish, also from the Philippines. This all given to me from a friend of mine, my kumari Sisi Love. She's a godmother of my daughter. So that's all, guys, from my freezers. I have to put it back again. So then show it there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, although my camera is a little bit shaky because I'm still practicing holding my camera. It's not that easy, but you know, I have a lot of fun making this video, and because I know you also have a lot of fun watching what's in my fridge. Although yeah, okay, I have also 7%. Who's gonna make this? Anyway, you can just make it or leave it. It's up to you. So no one's persuading you to make it, but it's up to you. It's just actually just for fun. So I'm choosing 7%. Start with Pretty Mary. Hi Sisi Love. Chillaxing Cheers. I know you can make it, Sisi. So Miss Lisa A. Lilian Sordillia. I hope you can do it also. Miss Beauty from the Kitchen, all in one. So Chellby Lehric or Chellby Lehric, I don't know, so please don't be upset if I pronounce it wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, belated happy birthday to you, Miss Sisi Love, Mich Iglesias. So I hope you can do it also. And I also want to thank you very much, Miss Coleys, from We Are the Coleys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like watching this video, and if you like this video, please give me some thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe and thumbs up button. So let's see on my next video.